Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use gift card on Domino's Pizza. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Domino's Pizza application. Now when you did that, you just need to log into your profile, and if you don't have one guys, you can always go and register to Domino's Pizza. Now when you did that guys, we have done everything and you will be on the screen like this. Now you'll have your delivery address, as you can see, the order now button, and in the top left corner guys, we can see that we have here again the order now button, the pizza tracker, profile, legal notice, we have data privacy, terms and conditions, and Domino's more. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use a gift card on Domino's Pizza. Well, it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is download the app as we said on the phone, and then choose the food items you want to order. You can do it by clicking on this red button here, clicking if you want to order them now or later. For the sake of this video, we'll click now. Then you need to go and choose what you want to buy. After that, you need to click on this green button here and proceed to the payment tab and select the voucher or gift card option. Then click on redeem and enter the details of the voucher or the gift card. Lastly, click on make payment and pay any balance amount if needed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us guys with growing our channel. So guys, that will be, as I said, everything for this video. I hope to see you in the next video on this channel guys, and that will be that. Bye guys.